Yeah. They're all gonna get. I don't want to hurt the deer. I don't even know if I really want to even hurt the squirrels. Even though the squirrels are a pain in my butt, I don't think I really want to hurt them though. Because I don't know why you can't see the snow. I can see it. This is clear. This is clear, but when I try to take a movie of it, come on, birdies, come on back. I got bird seed here for you. I can't whistle anymore. I lost my whistle. Come on. Come on. Where's the chickadees? You always come over here. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Come on back. Come on. Don't.